Welcome to YouTube, and today we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 BMW M8 Competition. If you're a fan of power, luxury, and performance all wrapped into one bold machine, you're going to want to stick around. BMW has taken what was already a beast and made it even better for 2025. Let's start with what hits you first, the design. The 2025 M8 Competition keeps its low, wide stance with that aggressive coupe silhouette. The front end looks menacing with the signature kidney grille finished in gloss black, flanked by slim laser headlights that seem to stare right into your soul. The sculpted hood, carbon fiber accents, and aerodynamic lines aren't just for show. Every inch of this car is crafted for performance. Under the hood is where things get serious. You've got a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 that produces a staggering 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. That power is delivered through an 8-speed M Steptronic transmission and BMW's rear-biased X-Drive all-wheel drive system. 0 to 60. Just about 3 seconds flat. It's not just fast, it's brutally fast. Inside, the cabin is pure M luxury. BMW has gone all in on premium materials, merino leather seats, carbon fiber trim, and Alcantara touches throughout. The seats are heated, ventilated, and perfectly sculpted to hold you in place whether you're cruising down the highway or taking a corner at high speed. The digital gauge cluster is sharp, the iDrive 8.5 infotainment system is responsive, and you've got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The 16-speaker Bowers & Wilkins sound system. Absolutely phenomenal. But this car isn't just about straight-line speed. BMW's adaptive M suspension, active roll stabilization, and precision steering make the M8 Competition corner like a much smaller sports car. You can feel the engineering working beneath you to keep the car planted and balanced, even when you're really pushing it. Want a more relaxed drive? Switch to comfort mode and suddenly it's a grand tourer, gliding smoothly over the road. BMW has also introduced some tech upgrades for 2025, enhanced driver assistance features, a redesigned head-up display, and even better integration with BM's connected drive services. It feels like you're driving the future, but with all the raw emotion of classic M power. So who is this car really for? It's for the driver who wants it all. Exhilarating performance, undeniable presence, and next-level luxury. Whether you're on the track, in the city, or on a weekend getaway, the 2025 M8 Competition delivers an experience that's hard to match. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more high-performance reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you take the M8 over a Porsche 911 Turbo or an Audi 7 Rupees? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.